Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your brand voice into MailerLite easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your brand voice into MailerLite, start by logging into your MailerLite account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns section on the left sidebar. Click on Create Campaign to start a new email. Choose a name for your campaign that reflects your brand voice. Select your audience segment carefully to ensure you're reaching the right people. Next, choose a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetics. Personalize the template by incorporating your brand colors. Add your logo at the top of the email for instant recognition. Now, focus on crafting your email subject line. Make sure your subject line resonates with your brand voice and engages your audience. Proceed to write your email content in a natural and authentic tone. Use consistent language that reflects your brand's personality throughout. Incorporate relevant visuals that complement your brand narrative. Before finalizing, review your email for consistency in messaging and tone. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything feels cohesive. Once you're satisfied, preview your email to see how it appears in different devices. Finally, schedule or send your email to connect with your audience in your unique brand voice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.